said before, the last but not the least, Dr. Garrett, please, can you please
3 minutes
just come and so we can seal our meeting today. Thank you.
I don't think I need the microphone. Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Gary Off. I'm Gary. I run a community-based agency in Washington Heights, and I'm really thrilled that we start to get some lights and start to have some really. I think that's very symbolic of the lights in this room. You guys spoke beautifully. Our program is called Growth and Development Services. The story goes like this. We built out raw space in the Armory in Washington Heights. Okay? It was for the community. We were at Community Board 12. With the Community Board 12, a teenager spoke last week and told about the importance of our community, because that's the ingredients. We have the ingredients to help make real change. We have proven success. We were in the Manhattan Times in 2003 when we first got into the building. Do you guys know what the building is for in the Washington Heights and the Armory? Classroom to everywhere, 20 computers. I'm not going to say any names, but I'm just going to let you know that my wifey, or my fiance is Dominican. Her name is Teo Neal Cuevas. Again, we built out raw space. This beautiful dog was kicked out of the building. He's a therapeutic service dog. I'm not going to say any names. Everything is documented, and it's unfortunate because I had to go to Community Board 12 in December of 2011 because someone tried to evict us from the space. Someone told us that we weren't helping the community when we were. So I made a fight. I'm a warrior like you guys, and we have something called the Reach Your Potential movement. And every person that's been touched by Growth and Development Services has been starting to take this movement. And this decision was reversed. I refuse to leave the space because the space is for the community. I've tried to work with George Washington High School. There's an SAT prep program. It's for not just student athletes, it's for all of you. There are 30 computers in the Technology Center. This is our space now. We were in the Manhattan Times. Our website is excelgds.org. We're not going anywhere. We're for the community. It's the Reach Your Potential movement. Hey, you guys, come on, let's go reach your potential, right? We're going to help each other reach our potential. 1 more minute and I'm done, okay? I need your help, all right? I'm offering you our space that we built for the community to have your movement, okay? You want to come there and have meetings in a safe place? This is a safe haven in the Armory, okay? And we basically need your help, and it's a very important program. I presented at Community Board 12. I've spoken to Rodriguez. I've spoken to Jackson. I'd like to speak to Mr. Stringer next, because my dog was a therapeutic dog. He was evicted from the building. I've been tried to be evicted to the building. I'm here for the community. So I need the Community Board's help. I'm going on record, and I'm not saying any names besides I'm asking for the community's help. Thank you very much.